Hi, my name is Kristen Narvi and thank you for coming tonight. I'm with Kristen K Creations and I'm an Etsy store owner where I sell wreath products, and I do coaching. I've been coaching for many years and with hundreds of clients and even all over the world. And most of them will tell you that the biggest issue they have is with SEO. SEO is a fancy word for search engine optimization, and it's the titles you're using to describe your products when you post a picture on Etsy. If your titles and tags are off, but your photography is great and your store is great, that is probably not going to rank you where you need to be ranked if you get seen even at all. So when I'm coaching, I always tell them that they need to find an SEO analyzer or tool that will give them the top words that they should be using. That's why I'm super excited to announce a brand new tool that just came out this February called SaleSamurai. SaleSamurai will actually analyze your entire Etsy store and rank all your listings for you. It will give you keyword suggestions. It will tell you the search volume, the competition. It will list them by ranking for you. It will show you the price ranges, the top stores, and all their titles and tags. You can even keep track of your competition, and my favorite part is it has a free Chrome extension. That extension goes in and takes all the info from the data of SaleSamurai and puts it right onto Etsy for you. So if you're searching for the word frog, as in the tutorial, it will tell you how many search volume numbers there are right on the side on Etsy for you. So in this part 1 series, I'm going to do a tutorial for you going through SaleSamurai for you to see it for yourself. The greatest part is it's actually extremely affordable. It is only $9.99 a month or $99.99 a year. I also have a discount code for you, Kristen20. If you use that, you get 20% off your entire membership the whole time that you use it. So here's a little slide of what SaleSamurai can do for you. As I discussed, it's an Etsy SEO Analyzer. You can find high volume, actionable keywords, and you can analyze your competition on a day-to-day basis. You can take your research to Etsy. It has a Chrome extension, and you can filter, analyze, and download data. It helps you discover the best market price points, views per product, shipping days, and likes. It also has an Etsy long tail word keyword tool, so you can make sure you're using long tail words instead of short tail words. And also it helps scale your business by streamlining the upload process. So first you're going to go to SaleSamurai, which is how you spell it right here. I know it's a little tricky, it reminds me of a car, but this is how you spell it right here, and you're going to log in. Now when you first start, you're going to register for free, and you're going to get signed in. Now I'm already in here, and all these tutorials are here for you, and they're not that long, showing you exactly how to use the program, how to attach your Etsy store, how to use search, how to use your competition tracker, your favorites. It has an awesome calendar and the Chrome extension. So just giving you a little bit of a taste, I have connected my shop. To connect your shop, you'll push connect. It will ask you to sign into Etsy and allow permission. You're going to push allow access, and it will connect your shop. Here on the left, you're going to see what's missing. So I intentionally have a missing tag on this, so you can see that, okay, this listing is accidentally missing a tag. In Etsy, there's 13 tags, and you do need to have all 13. And we will go through the strategic way to do titles and tags in the next part of this. But this one's having a missing tag. It shows me my inventory value, missing images. I do 3 or 4, and I will let you know right now, videos are very important in Etsy right now. 20 seconds, no volume, but definitely add videos. But they have it set for maybe up to 10 images. The more images, the better, basically. So it's telling me I'm missing a lot of images because of a lot of products, but I usually do 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's see. So the search, you can search keywords here or do a single listing. Actually already have Etsy Coach in here. So Etsy Coach, I'm a coach, right? So I'm using an example. Has low competition. That's great. That means green. You don't want high competition. If you have a high competition, which I'll show you in a minute with wreath, that means you have a very high market saturation, a lot of competitors with you. So you have to be awesome to get up there. Not that you can't, but it's going to be harder with jewelry, tumblers, wreaths, stuff like that. The search volume is low. The competition is low because there's just not a lot of Etsy coaches. On the left, you see tags that people are using that are Etsy coaches, and they have suggestions for tags. So let's say I want to save Etsy coach because I want to remember to use that as a title or tag. I can create a category called Etsy coaching. Okay. And I can come back and put another heart and do an existing category and go back and add it to Etsy coaching or wreaths or deco mesh, which I have all three, and I can just create lists that way. So it's all saved for me. So you have your tags on the left that are the per month, the best tags and the suggested tags. Now here are the top listings. These are the top sellers. Every time you put a keyword in, you're going to get the top sellers. Ironically, I am actually at the top of the list. I have around 4,389 views a month. And you can change those things at the top by price. So like from lowest to highest is $5.55. I'm $2.50. You can change the shipping days, the views, and so forth and so forth. Now you might wonder why I'm $2.50, but the reason I'm more expensive than others is I offer over 3 hours of one-on-one coaching, where most people are offering a Word document or something much smaller. And down here is a really awesome thing. You can see the price values, and they go from low all the way to high, and the spread of it. So you can kind of get an idea where you should be priced, and you can kind of zoom into that. So any type of keyword you can search. Now let's put wreath in there. Now it does take a minute to think as it's thinking. Now wreath is and Etsy coach both are not long tail keywords. For Etsy, you do want long tail keywords, which is 3 words or more. So you're going to take a combination of good small keywords and combine them to make long tail keywords. And the goal is to use a variation of them, unique ones. As you can see, wreath has a very high competition of 50,100 views per month competition per month. Very high, so it's harder to get seen and harder to do sales, and has a good search volume of 26,000 a month. So these tags here are the best tags to use per month, and here's some suggested tags. Really high search volume. Wreath is searched this much, and holiday wreaths is next. Pretty big drop there, but still, you don't want to be super high with super high competition. If you want to do a listing, you can take your own listing and plug it in here, the www of your own listing, and evaluate it, or you can take somebody else's listing. I don't know, this is an SVG, so let's just say I want to go to it. You can click it to go to it, or you can click the little I, and it will load it, and it will show you everything from the category they use, the titles, the tags, when it was created. 0 days is the age because it just sold, the day it was last modified, how many views it gets, and you can click submit to get a ranking on it, as well as ranking on your own listings. Now it has a C, and I see this a lot with ranking, and I've seen it with other analyzers. You can still sell well with a C. It's just trying to give you an idea of what needs to be changed. So your top keywords, your most important ones, should be in the first 40 count on the first front of your title. And so it's telling this person their keywords is not in the very first of the title, and it's not in the first 40 characters, but they do have them in the description. It is unique, and the tags are all present. So it's just giving you an idea of what you could tweak to make it a little bit better. but this person's obviously selling well, otherwise it wouldn't be on the top. So you can still get great ideas on their titles, how many the words they're using, everything on this person's page. And you can click in your own and search for it. They're great. Here's the Chrome extension. I've already added it. It's free. It will just say add to Chrome, and you will simply sign into Etsy and allow access for Chrome. And then what happens is when you're on Etsy and this extension is in, let's say I put wreath in again, if you notice here, a bunch of numbers come up that's not normally on Etsy. This is telling me the approximate search volume per month for this word, or the suggested value of 483 more. And this is so cool. It gives you an actual list. Okay, so wreaths is at the top with this much search volume and extreme amount of competition. And you can just go down and look at all of these top words for your SEO. How awesome is this, from top to bottom? You can even just click and save which ones you want to save and create a list or a CVS file. And you can filter at the top. I only want this many words or this much competition. Maybe you don't want such a high competitive word. You want to be a little more unique so you stand out, and so you want to use something like, let's see, an F wreath, which is a letter wreath, or a W wreath, or a peonies wreath. Has a little bit less competition, but you want to maybe be a little higher on the search volume. So you can filter it, you can click what you want and save it. That's the most awesome thing, is this extension. I've never seen this in any of them. It gives you this incredible list. So any word you look up, it's going to give you a list of the top words. So I'll give you one more example. Trying to find Etsy again. Well, we're going to have to go backwards. Let's try something. Let me think. What can I search for? Dog collar. So here we have your number of search volume and the suggestions they have. Once again, if I click on it, it's going to bring up the top search volume, competition, and how many words there are. You do want 3 or more words. And you can filter, and you can go from the lowest search volume to the highest, or vice versa, the lowest competition to the highest, and you can click on the left and decide what you would like to save. Very, very awesome stuff with SaleSamurai. Now, if you do decide to sign up and do the 3-day trial, you can cancel also at any time in the top right corner, and it would be up here. If you decide to sign up and want to use the discount code, even with the free trial, go to the discount section and enter Kristen20. It needs to be in all capital letters and numbers, and it will give you a 20% discount for the lifetime of your subscription. I hope this video has been helpful for you in investigating what SaleSamurai can do for you. I know it's helped me tremendously in my store. If you are on YouTube, I would greatly appreciate a thumbs up and a subscribe if you like this video. You can also follow me at Facebook. On Facebook business page Kristen K Creation, I do weekly lives Wednesdays and Thursdays where I offer tons of free material on things like marketing, Etsy products, and other e-commerce tools. Of course, you can find my coaching on my webpage for Etsy at kristenkcreations.etsy.com. The SaleSamurai link will be in the comments below this video. And if you have any comments or questions for me, I am here for you, and I'd be glad to answer anything. Thank you so much.